JC's Garage. Today I'll be showing you how to do a number plate light change on your W204 C-Class. Today I'll be changing my old bad LED globes with some new LED globes. The only tools required is a T20 Torx. Whether you want to use a screwdriver or a bit on a gun, it's up to you, just have to be careful. Obviously you can strip very easily on a gun, and a screwdriver for removing clips. You can also use a soft clip remover or a more like a crow's foot clip remover. It depends on preference. You can see our driver's light is no longer working, only our passenger light, so we get to changing this one. Now you're going to want to remove these 4 screws. They are all T20s and 3 clips underneath. So 4 screws and 3 clips. Now you're going to want to take this piece off. Once it's off, this little trim bit here, just want to push in the tab here. And that'll take it out. So just push in this little piece here, and the socket will come out. Now proceed to take the remaining clips out, and this trim piece will come down. I'll show you quickly before I show you how to take it out. This is the piece that holds the triangle for when you crash. Depending on your model, you might not have this, you might have this. It's pretty much just held in by these 4 tabs with 1 tab facing backwards. What you want to do is basically from behind, pull this forward, and then you can push it outwards. So basically get behind here, push it out, push it sideways, push it up, and that piece will come out. For your hinge covers, you're basically going to take 1 clip out and come over here. You want to press here and press here. That'll pop off. It's 1, press, and press. That's 2. Once you take your clip out, this will come straight off. Now once your trim is removed, you just want to come in here. So you'll see the first one here, the second one here. To change these, you just want to twist, so go up here, twist, and the light will come out. Now, to remove your old globe, you just want to grab it here, and slightly twist it out until it comes out. Now you want to compare it to your new globe. So our new one's here on the black, our old one's here with the silver. Make sure it's the same, make sure it's the same size. You just want to simply bring it back in, just wiggle it back in until it sits flush. Now you want to leave it here and grab your other one out. That way, once we are finished, we can test them before we reinstall everything and have to possibly pull them back out if this is an issue. So we'll get our other one, pull it out. Our new one, straight in. And that's it. So we've changed our lights. Now let's go turn on the car, make sure our accessories and lights are on. So you just need to press the start button once, put your lights on until the green is illuminating, and that's it. Now we can go check. Now we can see perfect, both lights working. So now we can go ahead and reinstall it. So just simply put it back in the socket, turn this socket around until it sits in place, and proceed to put it back to where it was. So you'll feel it go into place. You can see now it is facing the exact same way. It's directly horizontal with the clips and how it was before. So repeat this for the other side. Now we can go reinstall our trim. Now the easiest way to get your liner on is to get your handle within position. Then you can fit 1 clip on one side, 1 clip on the other side, and then you can just wait there, leave it there, get all your other clips ready, and just go ahead and reinsert all your other clips. if you decide to use this trim clip, one inside to open up, and you can slide it inside, pull it out, and that's it. Sometimes the clip will come out complete, sometimes it'll come out separate, but it's simple enough. Again, 1, 2, and under, and that's it. So reinstalling this piece is much easier than putting it in. Just want to align at the bottom, and you look for the holes behind, push it in, and that's it, that's in. Now for the hinge piece, you'll see there is a alignment piece. You need to go under, just pull it up, put it up like that. You want to find the hole, put your clip in, and that's in tight. Now under here, you want to make sure it is on there correctly. Now you can see here there is a alligator sort of attachment. Push in, clips on, push in, clips on. Now you're going to make sure you want to get this trim piece. Make sure you clip this in. Here when it goes in nice, not coming out. Get this piece, make sure you align everything. So you want to make sure you clear the latch. Also make sure the handle goes in. Now you have your screws. If you need to put one at a time, and make sure the holes align for the next one, so it makes it easier installation. Put your clips in, tighten them up. You want to close your boot. And that's it, you're done. So now you can either decide to throw your bad one in the bin or throw both of them in the bin, keep the good one. Just remember that obviously one went, so there's no reason the other one couldn't go at the same time. And you're done. See you next time.